Hey, good morning, guys. Yes, it's a new day. We're checking out of our hotel in Maryland. We're going all the way back to Greensboro in North Carolina, and it was a great time in this area, the DMV. We had the meet and greet yesterday. I think it was absolutely amazing. So we had a surprise guest. That was Abisola Shof. Thank you so much for coming. It was a good spice to the meeting, and we had several people come from different places. Just want to appreciate all of you for coming from all far and near, making it down there. And we also had two married women. They've both been married for 16 years. Attend the meet and greet. That was just so humbling, and just thank God it was a great time. We had fun, and you guys will see the video. I'll do a full video on just that, so you guys anticipate the meet and greet videos if you haven't seen any yet by now. So just waiting for the Uber to take us to the airport, and we're gonna be on our way to the airport and take off to Greensboro. Ciao. Hi guys. So this is like 5 minutes to 5, like 5 a.m. in the morning, and we are about to leave US. You can see my eyes are so heavy because I have not had good sleep. Yeah, it's been a wonderful 5 weeks in US. We were at Georgia, but we didn't vlog at all because we were just really tired and we wanted to just enjoy the trip. We took a 6.5 hour drive to Georgia and spent 4 days there with the family here. And we came back yesterday and this morning again. We're taking off, so we're heading straight to New York, and then from New York, connecting flight to Toronto, and we're home. Looking forward to it. We are homesick already, even though we're gonna miss our family here. Anyway, God has been faithful. The trip has been successful. All the meet and greets were amazing. People that came were blessed. It was such a blessing to be a blessing and to meet people that by privilege we have been able to bless all around the world. And just thank you so much for coming on this journey with us. Sister B is on her way. She's bringing the bags and stuff like that, but maybe I'll show her face when she gets here. It's been fun. This is the end of the US tour, and we'll be heading to the airport now to wrap it all up. So thanks for watching, guys. We love you. We appreciate you. God bless you. Keep loving and keep believing. Have faith. All right. God is able to do all that He has said He will do concerning you. No matter what you're waiting for, have faith and believe. He will bring them to pass. God bless you. Let me show my wife's face a bit.
Vlogger master.
This one that both of you are wearing and cool.
That's part of the unity in spirit.
How much a day?
Yes, sir. It was a very
How are you
wonderful
feeling?
just minutes ago, we were doing vlogging for entry to US.
Yes, so my baby.
Guys,
Say bye bye to your people.
yes, so actually, you know I love you. Wait 1 month. As in,
We've come to do proper Omugo now.
Yes, sir.
So we're leaving now. All right. Bye, everyone. Let me show you my faces. Ciao. Yay. So we're in New York, and something very funny. We just landed and came out of gate 27, and we are taking off to Canada from this same gate 27. Crazy. So we're just gonna sit down, go back the same way we came. That's interesting. 27, and we're going back through 27. Love it. In fact, I just even found out that we're gonna be sitting in the same seat, 18 DNF, on the same aircraft.
yes,
That just
we should have
struck
not
us.
even
Maybe we should have sat down. No, we needed to come out and then check it so that they can know we're in.
Yeah, so that they can know.
That's
We need to check
interesting.
in.
It's actually very interesting. This is the first time we don't want our flying this year that this has happened. How many flights have we had this year?
Connecting flights. We're just
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is the second one. So
But we've had like We've flown 10 times this year.
Yeah. I don't know the number, but I guess.
Yes, I did the
Remember too.
math. 10, or I think 8. No, 10. Calgary. Yes, 10 flights, and this is just July 1st. Are we going to fly more?
I don't know. I feel like the rest of this year.
I'll just sit down
I
in my
don't have any
house.
plans.
If you want, well, we might do a few, because from my understanding.
Yeah.
But as much as possible, I want to rest. How do
It
you
was
feel,
fun,
baby?
sir. Good. Yeah.
Let me wait for them. So, US store. Stop now, you guys. US store is over
Yes. So,
officially.
and I'm glad to be going home actually.
I'm glad to be going home myself.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
it's been fun. Thanks to all of you who have, been there. Those of you who were able to meet us,
Mm-hmm.
thanks to you guys for coming around. And we're signing out.
Yes, so,
We should be home in a few hours. So
mm-hmm.
feels exciting.
Yes, sir.
Our motherland. Apologies to the people that live in the con country right now. We have two motherlands now. So anyway, happy to go home.
Yes, sir.